Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Arjun Chadda, a motivational speaker. Our topic for today is consequences. Yes, we all do things which have consequences, whether good or bad, and the consequences could also be good or bad. So, whatever we do in our life, we should keep in mind the consequences which might come across. If we do good things, good consequences are there. If we do bad things, bad consequences are there. This is why we should be very careful about what we do, where we do, how we do, with whom we do, and what the consequences will be. Will the consequences will be good or bad? As per the same, we do what we do, because it is very important for us to keep in mind the consequences, and in order to avoid bad consequences, we must only do what is good and what is ideally doable and what we should do. I know it's easier said than done, but we should apply the same in our life and at times take purposeful, thoughtful measure and add attention to what we do and then do the same so as to avoid bad consequences. This is why keeping in mind consequences for everything is very important, and it is very important that we keep in mind the consequences for each and everything we do and always do good things for good consequences. In case if by chance we've done something wrong and we've had the bad consequences, find the solution to the same and make the consequences good by doing good stuff and changing the consequence by changing the action and rectifying the action. And this is why it is very important for each one of us to keep in mind the consequences in mind for each and every work we do and all the work we do, and be on a track to doing continuous work which gives us good consequences and helps us grow in life as a human, as an individual, as a spiritual being, and uh, as a human on the whole picture. This is why it is very important that we keep in mind the consequences for each and everything we do, all the time. This is why I urge each and every one of you to keep in mind the consequences for each and everything we do and then only do the same. Have a clear picture in your mind whether good or bad the consequence will be, and only then do it. Thank you.